All right, here we are at Serta to talk about two of the beds of a collection called the Euphoric Nights. This is the Euphoric Nights Hybrid Perfect Sleeper Collection. Smooth top bed, two different comfort levels for us. Over here we have a plush, and over here we have a firm. So if you like a soft bed, we're over here. If you like a firm bed, you're over here. Couple of the great features about the Euphoric Nights bed. Two different types of foam. We have the cool twist gel foam, and then we have the gel memory foam. As you can see, one slow to react, one quick to react. The difference is pressure relief. It's got the cooling gel in it, so it's going to promote airflow, keep the body cool. And this other one is going to conform to the body, and it's going to give that body full body support. So over here, like I said, this is the firm bed, and you can tell it definitely feels firm. Not a rock, but definitely firm. You can feel that gel memory foam in the bed, really comforting and supporting the body. So I've said it before, I'm a soft bed, that's my preference, but even in a firm bed, this actually doesn't feel really bad because it really is so supportive, and it actually feels really nice. As we move over here, as I said, this is the plush bed. You can see just immediately how much more you sink into the bed. Again, a much softer bed. I can feel that gel memory foam and that twist foam in there. It is cool to the touch, just laying on the bed, just on the onset, you can tell it feels cooler. Like I said, much softer bed. That coil, I don't know that you can really feel it, to be honest, where we have the higher density coils here in the middle versus the softer coils over here. As you can see, the supportive zone is what they call it. And then we have the plush zone, but you can't really feel it in the bed, but you'll notice it in longevity and how long your bed is going to last. It's just going to hold up much better. So both high quality beds, hybrid beds, they work on an adjustable base. This is the Euphoric Nights collection.